Jack Dorsey just brought back the Bitcoin faucet. As of today, April 6, the campaign goes live. $1 million in free Bitcoin, up to $80 per person, and it's running for 5 days only. This is real, it's from the block, the company behind Cash App and Bitkey. So let me break it down for you before the poll runs out. Hello everyone, I'm Kai and welcome back to the Mindful Crypto Life. And for anyone out there who doesn't know the history, in 2010, the original Bitcoin faucet gave away 5 Bitcoin per day for just completing a CAPTCHA. Yes, you heard it right, we are talking about 5 Bitcoin. Obviously, this one isn't that, but the spirit is the same. You get real Bitcoin into real wallets, you have lower barrier, and you actually get to show people how this actually works. Block is going to be running this through their own products, Cash App, Square, and Bitkey. And it runs until April 10 midnight Eastern, or at least until the 1 million prize pool is gone, just whichever comes first. And now let's talk about how you can earn. There's actually 3 actions that you could take to earn free Bitcoins. The first action, buy Bitcoin through Cash App, and then you get $5 in Bitcoin credited back. The second action is to spend on any merchants on Square. This one actually gets you $25 in Bitcoin. And the third action, withdraw Bitcoin from your Cash App to your Bitkey hardware wallet. So this one actually gets you $50 in Bitcoin. If you do all 3, you actually walk away with $80 in free Bitcoin. The full terms are on this link in the screen, cash.app/legal. Always read these things before you participate. And one important thing to flag is that this campaign is US focused. Some states such as New York actually has restriction on the Bitkey step. So make sure to check the terms before going full in for your $80 in Bitcoin. Now the question, is this actually worth doing? Well, if you're already in the US and is already using Cash App and is thinking of getting a hardware wallet, then absolutely. That $50 on Bitkey withdrawal is actually really interesting. As you know, Bitkey is a hardware wallet, and moving your Bitcoin there is actually practicing self-custody. So this one is actually paying the most for the most important practice and habits in the space. Block is essentially paying you $50 to learn how to self-custody and hold your own Bitcoin. On a business perspective, this is actually a very smart onboarding move, and it puts real sats in your real wallet. And now the realistic check. Yes, the amounts are small, and $80 is probably not going to change your life. But here's the thing about this week specifically. The Fear and Greed Index is currently at 13, and the market is in extreme panic mode. And in the middle of all that noise, one of Bitcoin's biggest advocates is giving away $1 million in free Bitcoin just to get more people to hold more Bitcoin. That contrast alone is worth paying attention to. The builders keeps on building, regardless of the price. The site is live right now, as you can see on the screen at btc.day. And you have until April 10 or until the pool runs out. If you are already living in the US, make sure to check the terms and move fast. And drop a comment below. Are you going for the $5, for the $25 or $50, or all 3? And curious to know how many of you already own Bitkey. If you find this video useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm Kai from the Mindful Crypto Life. Thank you so much for being here and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye!